Let's Science It Up, Episode 5. How to hold ice with a thread. For this experiment, we need salt, thread, and ice cubes. Take 2 glasses of water and then put ice cubes in them.
You can put one more each.
Okay. Now we have to take a thread and put it gently on the ice cube.
Yes. Can you lift the ice cube with the thread?
No.
Try.
I only feel water.
Yes, we cannot lift it.
Now take some salt and put it on the ice cubes.
Very good.
That's it. Now wait for 5 seconds.
5, 4,
3, 2, 1, 0.
yes. Now let's slowly try picking the ice with the thread. Very slowly. Wow, you're able to lift the ice.
Mind yourself.
It's okay, we'll try again. Now let's try fishing for ice one more time, okay?
Okay.
Slowly, slowly.
How do I
Wow! Oh! Wow! So do you know how it's done?
Yes. When we put salt on ice, the ice melts quickly. The salt heats up the ice and the ice melts. The salt traps the thread again and it freezes again.
Yes, exactly. Now let's do the same experiment on plates.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now I'm taking 4 ice cubes on each our plate.
Okay, very good.
Now we put the thread on the ice. Now we put some salt on the ice cube.
Gently press it. Press the thread on the ice cube. Now let's wait for a minute. You know what happens in all those countries in winter when it snows? We use salt to melt ice on the roads when they get all icy and slippery. And also we sprinkle salt on the roads and cars to keep ice from forming. It's science at work, keeping us safe. Isn't it interesting? So who's the real hero here?
Salt.
Correct? Now let's try picking it up slowly. Come on.
Wait.
That's very nice. We fished for ice. So did you enjoy this experiment?
Yes, of course. Yes. It was amazing. Yes.
Did you learn something also?
Yes. Thank you for watching. See you next